Hey guys, welcome back into our Retune channel. So today we're gonna put this here rough country steering stabilizer kit on the old Ram over there. You know, sometimes going about 75 to 80 on the highway, you know, it feels like it's floating a little bit. You know, a little bit of play in the steering. So unpack the box. Looks like you know, everything that's in the kit: bag bolts, spacers, washers. You know, you gotta have the logo there. You gotta take off. You gotta take off this primary bracket right here. So see if you can see that right there. Take that guy off. Take this shock off over here. Yeah, you can leave these. You can leave these brackets on. At least I have in the past. Yeah, and then the clamps will go here, of course the center, and then the other clamp on this side. Okay, so this is what it looks like after you take it off. So there's the bracket right there. It's what the screw, you know, what it looks like. I don't know if you can see all that. Then from here, you take the two bolts out. These are 13 millimeter, right? 13 millimeter, and there's 4 of them. So 2 there, and then the other 2 up there. Take those 4 out, and these are 18 millimeter. So 18 millimeter here and 18 millimeter here. Install done. So first bracket into the RC bracket and logo, and then the last bracket right there. So only thing we have to do now is check the steering.